name is Gabby, but you guys know me as GabbyBaddd Curly. Welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new. Hey girl, hey sis, hey bro, how you doing? And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know the deal. Thank you for coming back, showing some love and support. I got some mail, but I'm doing an unboxing on this particular item. I've gotten a wig from Friday Night Hair. Here is this pretty baby. You don't understand, I was having wig withdrawals, okay? Wait till y'all see how long it is, okay? But it's about 26, if I stretch it all the way out. It's about 26. Pushing it, but y'all know I'm not gonna wear it this long. I'm gonna cut it. This is a lace frontal wig. It has 2 inches of parting space. The smell, it smells like synthetic hair. It don't have a foreign smell at all. This is a double-sided tape that all the wigs come with. And it's not too shiny at all. It looks shiny because of the lights on it. So if you want to get rid of the shiny, if this is too shiny for you, you can use a dry shampoo. So you see this lace part is really brown, which I love. See, it kind of just blends right into my skin. It's like transparent. Here's the inside. It has 2 clips right here. Back clip in the back of their head. It's a little bigger than the 2 side ones are. And an adjustable strap on both sides. There's one right here, and there's another one over there to make it tight or loose. The hair is like, it has movement, darling. It has so much movement. Like, it's so long. Look at the booty. Literally down the front. Sometimes I just wet the front part so the hairs won't get in the way. Make it kind of zigzaggy, if that's a word. But I haven't got my ear tapped. A squirt bottle and just spray where I found the part at. Just a little squirt. Like a little mist of it, okay? So since it is in the middle of the wig, I want to switch it to the side. They say from ear to ear on the website, but the most part you would get is in the middle because it looks like an actual part. At least to the actual track. You can see my finger right through it. I want to put more of my DIY foundation in. I hope you guys enjoyed my review and install unboxing on my Friday Night Hair unit of GLS05. So this is the end of the video. Check out part 2 of how I cut this wig and wash it. That'll be in a later video, and I'll see you guys in my next upload.